You remember a lot.
Yeah, hey, listen. If you were a total stranger and you had to memorize all this stuff, you'd never do it. You had to have lived here.
Yeah, we had that here, and then we had a little bar.
Yeah.
And then he built the closet underneath.
Yeah, he built that.
Yeah. Yeah, so basically this is my music room because I'm in a band. I play in a rock band. This is all my musical stuff.
And I was trying to go around all the restaurants and see more. Now I'm a dog trainer.
Now you're what, a realtor?
A dog trainer.
Dog trainer.
Oh,
So basically we knocked down the wall. So because because it was too when we had
yeah. The two doors. And then
So we moved the TV room to all the.
yeah, the TV room used to be in the other room. We put it in here.
We moved it to here. And yeah. Let me fix the pillows.
Does it bring back memories?
it felt bigger when I was younger.
Oh, by the way, this is the same
The
door.
laundry room, the bathroom.
This is the same exact door since we moved here. I never changed the front door. I did a lot of windows and stuff, but the door's the same.
Yeah. So we switched because there was more room in that side.
Yeah, because he had a little bar that was over there that he built.
You should take some pictures or film it or something.
I'm doing it now.
Oh, good. Yeah, yeah.
But same fireplace.
Yeah. We're gonna do something with it. We just haven't done it yet. We're gonna be getting a new powder room. Waiting for the guy to come.
But I was
Your father was gonna turn 55, so
there used to be green grass here.
Yeah,
Like the artificial.
I took that out. I got a
And then these were screen windows.
right.
Yeah.
So every year, just like your father used to do, I used to put plastic in the windows.
Yeah.
I got tired of doing that. We put windows here because it was too much.
And then the
these
stairs
windows-
used to go straight down, and then he built a deck out.
Right, yeah.
And then these windows come out in the summer. These pop out and we have it screened in the summer. He just put them in.
Well, I got up.
Big bedroom, yeah.
Yeah, and they used to have a
Everything's
bed.
all around because we're in the middle of
They had
packing.
that. You moving?
No, we're going to Italy.
Going to
Oh.
yeah. We had no bathroom, yeah. So
New tub and everything.
yeah, yeah,
See, Mom?
yeah. Hey, how's it going?
So this was your room, I guess, on the
This,
left.
yeah, this was my room because it had the
The
walk-in closet. I used to, yeah.
Well, and there was a lot of the stuff that my kids didn't take with them.
And then my brother's was that room. My sister was in this room.
Yeah. Yeah. Brings back memories, huh? Good.
Oh, thank y'all.
You kidding me?